In today's video, we are going to show you how to install EXNESS on your iPhone. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the App Store. Once you are in the App Store, tap the search icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the search bar, type in EXNESS and tap the search. From the search results, look for the official EXNESS application, which is going to be this app right here, and make sure the developer is EXNESS Global Limited to ensure you're downloading the legitimate app. Depending on your iPhone settings, you may need to verify the download using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This usually takes a few moments depending on your internet connection, and once the installation is complete, click the Open button directly from the App Store or return to your home screen and launch the EXNESS app. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be presented with two options. Log in with your EXNESS account. If you don't have it yet, create a new account. You can use your Apple account or use a business email and follow the on-screen instructions. For security purposes, EXNESS may require identity verification before you can access all the trading features. And all I have to do now is follow the prompt to verify your email, verify your phone number, or upload identification documents if required. Completing verification helps unlock deposits, withdrawals, and full trading functionality. And once logged in, you'll gain access to the EXNESS dashboard. Here you can view your account balance, deposit and withdraw funds, monitor market prices, you can access trading history. Take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the layout and available tools. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to install EXNESS on your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.